Hello YouTube. I wanted to show you a quick repair on Glowshift gauges. This is a 3-gauge pod for a 7.3 power stroke. This gauge and this gauge would bounce. So I'd start it up, the needle would go all the way around and then stay there. And then sometimes it would bounce. It was really annoying. These suckers were bad for, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 years. Well, my alternator went out, and I jump started it, charged the batteries, and I was driving home. My wife was following me, and all of a sudden my gauges are working, and I knew my alternator wasn't working, so there's only like 9-10 volts on the battery. So I got this idea to get a voltage regulator. So here's the voltage regulator. I got it on Amazon for $8. So Amazon Prime, and then it's adjustable right here. So this is connected to the hot switch, not the hot constant. The 12-volt constant is hooked straight up to the battery. The 12-volt switch is hooked up to this regulator, and it is putting out, I adjusted it to 10 volts. So at 11.2 volts, this gauge is working. This gauge has always worked. This gauge was bouncing slightly. So I adjusted it down to 10 volts. All my gauges are working good. So let me show you. And the truck's not really warm, but they are working. So the transmission is cold too. So they are working, they're not bouncing, and I have 10 volts going to them. So please give me a thumbs up if this helps you, and I'm hoping this will save a lot of people's problems with Glowshift gauges. Alright YouTube, thanks, bye.